guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chinelli if you're new here, and if you haven't guessed it already, this is a swimsuit haul. I know it's been a while since I've done one of those, but I think you're gonna like this one because I'm showing you my newest additions to my very large swimsuit collection, but this time with luxury designers. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Okay, first up is Riot Swim. I absolutely adore the swimsuits from this brand because the quality is really like no other. The feel of the material, it's so soft to the touch. It has great stretch and hugs the body so well. There are a variety of pieces and colors to mix and match. The Echo one piece is such a staple, and every woman I've seen wear it honestly looks so bomb. You'd love the pieces from Riot Swim. Their designs are timeless. Next up, we have the Bight Swim, and this is another brand that really pays attention to detail when it comes to how the swimsuit feels on the body. You should be able to pick up a swimsuit and just know that this is a luxury piece. It should be that easy. The girls that get it, and whether it's a printed piece, a solid color, it has gold accents, this brand draws me in, and I'm always ready for when they launch new designs. Okay guys, Femme Fatale by Tori takes minimal luxury swim to the next level. This brand has such a signature look with almost non-existent strings paired with very interesting prints, colors, and textures from croc material to lace. This brand's swimsuits and swimsuit sets are definitely statement pieces that you will be obsessed with. And of course, we have House of Gem. I mean, what's the swimsuit haul without House of Gem? Let's be serious. This brand is dear to my heart, and I love their designs because every single piece is unique in its own way, has its own character, has its own personality. There's something for everyone and for every occasion. I'll always recommend this brand to anybody who's like, where do you get your swimsuits from? Well, majority of them are from House of Gem. So that concludes this swimsuit haul. Let me know which one is your favorite, which one you plan on buying. I've left the links for the designers in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share with everybody. And if you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Like, let's get to it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.